In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11, and let me show you how to set up default browser on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select apps and notifications, and here click on default apps. And now just pick browser app, and actually we do have one browser only. However, if you have one more or even more than one here, all you need to do is to tap on some particular browser, just like this, and when the dot is fulfilled with color, it means that the one that is marked is your default browser. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change browsing app, and also it is working the same way for any other app. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.